Credwch neu beidio, plant sydd yn meiddio tynnu eraill i lawr. Bwlian a tharo, byddent byth yn anghofio, mae rhaid i hwn beidio nawr.
Dros yr holl fyd, daw ysglyfaethwyr i bigo'r yd, gadawodd ofod mawr gyda'r bwriad o'n gwthio i lawr.
Mae 13% o hunanladdiadau mewn arddegwyr o ganlyniad i'r cyfryngau cymdeithasol. Effeithir mwy o ferched na bechgyn.
Ryan Halligan, 13 Seiborffilia. Hope Witzel, 13 lluniau noeth o gwmpas yr ysgol.
Daniel Perry, 17, received death threats. Kill yourself, mate. Please kill yourself. You need to let a blade meet your throat. Joshua Unsworth, 15, abusive messages. Hanged himself in his garden. You really are a freak. No one likes you. You deserve sick things to happen to you.
Iselder, hunanladdiad. Cofiwch,